Hey guys, welcome to Let's Code It. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make shoot the bottle scheme that I already show you here. You can see. Today I'm going to show you this game. This is HXR screen. Everybody know. So what you have to do, you have to just click on the new project. So first we are going to design the ground. I'm going to show you the steps that we have to follow here. Uh, You can see shoot the bottles design. First, we are going to make a beautiful environment. After that, we are placing a plane from 3D object section and make the physics static from the property. So why we are making the physics static? So when physics is going to be static, that time my ground is static and the bullet is going to bounce on the ground. After that, we are going to place one bottle, one gun, one bullet from the 3D object section. And for flame parts, how the flame is going to come on the bottle, we are going to place the particle system. And in the properties of the particle system, we are going to select fire and uncheck autoplay box. So these are the steps that we are going to follow. I will show you one by one. Coming to here, this is my ground. Three objects are here. I'm going to delete all the objects one by one. So I already logged in. You also have to log in properly. So this is your camera only. First thing that I'm going to do, that is I'm going to place the plane. Come to the basic object section. You have to select plane. So you can see your plane is here. But first, you have to rotate the plane. After rotation, you have to just increase the size of the plane. You can see I'm increasing the size of the plane. Okay. You can just fly upward and you can see how the plane is looking properly. Okay, so I place the plane and this is my player, my camera. I'm just making it little bit upside. After that, I'm clicking on the plane. I'm going down. Down in the properties section. Here is the physics property that I told you. You have to make the physics static. Now, one more thing. I don't want this blue color, so I'm making the plane invisible. So the plane is here. The plane will work, and because I don't want to see the plane, that blue color plane, so that's why I'm making it invisible. Okay, now coming to the ground, this is a flat, so I'm making it hills. I'm changing the texture. So this is a checkerboard I placed here. You can change the color, whatever the color you want. Okay. Now one more thing, you can place some environment also. So this is environment tab, and this time I'm placing gradient sky. This is a sky, and my player is there. So I'm just making it here. So what is the gradient sky? You can see basically it is a three color gradient. This is the top color, this is middle, and this is bottom color. You can change the color if you want it to be different, like this way. Okay. Now the next step is I have to place the gun. So I'm coming to the 3D model and I'm going to search a gun. Okay. So you can write gun. Which gun you like, you can choose anything. Okay. I'm choosing this one. I'm going to increase the size of the gun. Now the gun is facing there, so I'm just rotating the gun properly. Okay, so this is the gun. It is not rotated. You have to just choose it properly, so the gun will be rotated. Okay, now it is proper. Now I'm placing the gun little bit down. You can make the size of the gun according to your whatever the size you like. Okay, this is the gun. Now the next part I have to place the bullet also. No issue where you have to place the gun because we are going to fix the gun with the use of code. Okay, so I'm going to place bullet also. So in the 3D models, now we will search about bullet. So this is the bullet that I'm choosing here. So this is my bullet. I'm just making the size of the bullet small and I'm rotating it also. Okay, so it is rotated. Now making it small size. So this is my bullet. So this is my bullet. I'm placing it down. And this is my gun. Okay. Now I told you we have to place the bottle also. So I'm going here in the 3D model section and I want to place glass bottle. Any type of bottle you can choose, like this is a crystal bottle, this is a bottle, glass bottle, or you can search for the game bottle also. So I'm choosing this one. Okay, Now I'm going to show you how to change the color of the ground. It is looking very dark. So I'm just changing the color. You can just change the color. There are color one, color two options are available. And you can change the size of the ground using 200. Okay, like this is 100. This was 100. I made it 200. Okay, so in the ground now you can see this is gun, this is my bottle, and this is the bullet, and this is my camera. I'm placing my camera a little bit backside so you can see every object properly. After that, one more thing is required, that is I have to place particle system. So you have to come basic object section, not in environment section, and you have to click on the particle system. I want to rename the particle system, make it fire. Same way you can rename gun, bullet, and bottle also. So this is my particle system. I want fire, so I'm choosing fire. And you have to go down, uncheck this autoplay box. Okay, why we are unchecking this autoplay box? So it will give you the fire thing when you are hitting the bottle. Okay, and one more thing, I want a score. So I'm placing a text that will show me scores. I'm placing a 3D text. This is my 3D text. And I'm changing the text with the text properties section, make it scope. This is my text. I'm going to place this text inside the camera so the text will move with the camera. How to do this? You can see this. You have to just drag the text and place it inside the camera. Okay? And I'm renaming this text, making it core text. If it is so long, okay, you can use S capital, and after that you can make T capital also. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how it is looking in the play. So it is looking like this. In the next class, I will show you how to fix this gun and how to shoot the bottles, how to clone the bottles first. So when we are cloning the bottle will come in the different ways. It will present in the different direction, and we will check how to shoot the bottles also. Okay. So thank you guys. Please stay tuned, and you have to subscribe the channel and you have to like the video. Okay. And when you're subscribing the channel, it will give you the notification, so you can see my upcoming videos also. And your subscription means a lot to me because it is a motivation part. Thank you. Thank